To begin with the production plugin, first we need to perform the subcon maintenance. So to do that, go to Production Order Plugin and click on Subcon Maintenance. Here, click New. Then key in the subcon code, the name, the wage type, then the allowance, for example, 10 cents. So once done, click Save. Then, click on Sales Order. Here, select a debtor, then add an item. The item would usually be the finished goods. Then, key in the quantity, for example, 25. Then, once done, click Save. Now, to create a new job sheet out, go to Production Order Plugin and click on Job Sheet Out. Here, click New. Then, select the subcon code, for example, S2. Then, click on Convert from Sales Order. Check the checkbox to select this document. Then, click OK. The details will automatically be transferred. Then, key in the wage. The subtotal will automatically be calculated. So if we could see here, including the allowance and the total wage, it will be 275. So once done, click Save. Now to preview this report, click on Preview. And here you can see the transactions report. Now once the sales order is complete, what you can do is click on the job sheet out to highlight, click on Transfer to Job Sheet In. Here the details will automatically be transferred. After that, select the location. Then once done, click Save. So if we go to Production Order Plugin and click on Job Sheet In, we would notice that the document we have created just now is here. To view this report on the Job Sheet In, click Preview. And here, you can view the report generated. You can also click on Print Listing to view reports in detail. Here, I will choose the option Print Job Sheet in the listing. And click Confirm. Here, click Inquiry. The documents will automatically be checked. You can uncheck the ones that you don't want to view and just remain the ones that you want to view checked and click Preview. So here you can see the sub-wages listing in detail. Thank you.